for
This
them
conference will
if
now
they
be
want.
recorded.
Yeah, I think yesterday we are discussing about Pega futures. Why you need Pega means Pega futures. Okay, or Pega advantages. So we discussed points. Okay, till now we discussed what is BRE, what is BPM, what is Pega, then why, what are the other BPM tools are available in industry. In that, why the Pega is the number one tool. We are discussing all Pega special features. So what are the features we discussed till now? Anyone please? What are the points we discussed till now?
It is independent. Also, it is also irrespective of domain. It works on all the platforms, and there is also no coding required.
Mm.
And even the development time is very fast.
Good.
And also, we can debug the code with different debugger tools which are inbuilt.
Yeah. Very good. Super, Arvind. Yeah. So what are the main features? By using our Pega tool, I can get more profit within the less time. I can provide quality product to the customer within the less time. I can give good services to the customer. Then Pega is an independent platform tool. It will support any operating system. It will support any database. Pega tool will support to design any domain application like banking domain, telecom domain, insurance domain, healthcare domain, whatever we have industry. Any domain, but every domain will have different types of applications will be there. Every domain will have different types of, what are the types? Desktop application, web application, mobile application, tablet application, a tablet. So Pega tool will support to design any type of application also. So every application will have industry with a common structure. For all the application will have three-tier structure, that is three-tier structure, three parts we can call three-tier structure. It is loosely coupled structure. Every part will be divided separate. Each, what are three parts? Presentation layer, business logic layer, database layer. To design each layer, we have different languages are available in industry. But if we're coming to Pega without knowing those all languages, I will design three parts as a best structure for your application. Very important, best structure, best design, because when you have construction is good, then automatically house quality is good. Construction not good, then house quality, how it will be the same thing. When we have best design, the application, automatically application quality means performance also will be good. How we have business rules are available here. We have ready-made rules are there. Then question, if you don't have what we're expecting rules, then we need to write code. No, we will design our own business rules in the Pega platform. Either we can use our Pega product or inbuilt or predefined business rules. Otherwise, we will design our own business rules according to your, based on your business requirement. I will design it your application. So finally, no coding here is 0%. By using of this option, I can do the quick development. Even it will support parallel development because it's a loosely coupled structure. After that, we discuss one more great feature. Industries. It won't be it without this feature. There is no application. That is called integration feature. Every application either providing services or getting services. Either providing services or getting services. Definitely dependence will be there. So if you want first how we can transfer services, first we need route. Route is nothing but we need to connect both applications. For that industry, we can call topic name integration that will be achieved by the web services. Here also same. I'm not telling that we're not using web services only. There is SOAP and REST. But there you are writing code, but here nothing. If you're not again same 0% is code. Pega is ready to connect any external system or any external database or any external server. It's not only one application I'm telling you. Pega is ready to connect any external system or any external application, any external server, any external database. I can connect without writing off single percent custom code also. Just doing a small configuration. How? For that also we have inbuilt integration rules are there inside the Pega tool. Using this, we can easily configure it and connect it. Then once you can connect it, we have the between two applications, we have the route. Then I can transfer services for any direction level. Okay. Then after that, we discussed this completely development. Okay. We are very happy. No coding means that is we want. Okay. When we are facing issue, as generally when I'm writing manual coding, we are facing issue, then I'm doing debugging process step by step manually. Is there anything again? If you have definitely will face issues. So to trace those issues, is there any automation? Is there any tools are available without going manually? Is there anything else can we do? Yes, inside the Pega tool itself. I'm just telling that we no need to install separately. If you're installing Pega tool means inside everything will be. That's why I'm using word inbuilt, predefined, product. I'm just using all of the same meaning. For that, to trace the issues, we have debugging tools are there. These all are the inbuilt tools. Those are tracer, live UI, performance analyzer, alerts, clipboard. Tracer is when you're facing issues in your application, business logic layer level, how we can trace the issues easily. Then we can inform to tracer tool means just open the tracer tool automatically. When you're running application, easily it will be watch where the exact problem will be coming. Easily it will find out. No need to do any operations. Just open the tracer tool, and when you open means it is on mode. Then whatever you are running in the application, it will watch it. If there are any issues the business logic layer, it will inform you. But solution you need to fix it. The same thing. What about presentation layer? For every room I kept here one security person. So quick response purpose. Quick response. So the same thing when I am facing issues in the presentation layer, live UI tool will be trace the issues. easily. What about database layer? Performance analyzer tool to trace the database issues. For three parts, we have three layers. Three tools will be the three debugging tools. What about alerts? Alerts, actually performance analyzer tool, will have two responsibilities. Actual alerts not here. We need to write down. So I will write one more point. 8. Performance tools. There is PAL, comma, alerts again, and guardrail tool. Okay, guardrail tool. Correct, yeah. So guardrail tool, we'll talk there, not here. Then what about clipboard? Is very important. I think you know already clipboard. I think maybe word will be different for you here. You know cookies. You know sessions. Other language will use cookies and sessions. Cookies where will here all browsers. When you are facing any issue, please people will say that please delete all cookies. Whatever you enter the information, the particular browser, all the information will be stored temporarily inside the cookies. Why? For example, username, password, you are using same application for instead of entering every time, automatically will be stored. Then when you open this application, automatically be the credential will come and we can log in it. So we are saving the time every time entering of the information. But no, there is no secure, right? No secure. Maybe this is personal system, maybe you're using different system. Your information will be there, others will be see that. So cookies level no secure. Then what they did, cookies is nothing but sorry. So those will be stored inside the presentation layer. First of all, why should I store? Already told. So cookies will be stored information temporarily. Is useful to store the data temporarily. Is it temporarily? 1 minute, guys. So temporarily, but there is no secure. Then question, why you are storing temporarily? We are already storing permanently in the database layer. Question, right? Why you have to store? Because is there any common information regularly I'm using? Every time I'm going to bring you to here. So it's common information regularly I'm using by you or by public. Is a private or public, but common information. Every time instead of hitting off database server, keep it someplace and reuse that. Using of that process, I can improve the application performance. Even user will be happy, getting quick response instead of going to here. I can use here directly, but no secure here. So I want full secure my data. So then what is other place? Is there any other place? Yes, business logic layer. There we can call session concept. I think other languages. Now coming to our Pega clipboard. In business logic layer, there is database debugging tool. Means clipboard is a database. It is will be tracing of the data when I'm transferring data between layers any direction. Presentation to business, business to database, database layer to business logic layer, business logic layer to presentation layer, but it should come to here without coming to the junction. You know that If railways, we can see one junction. All the trains should come here, then go. The same thing, clipboard is a junction for the data between the layers. The clipboard is a database debugging tool. It is used for to store the data temporarily. By using of this tool, I'm going to improve application performance. How? Is there any common information, reusable information? Example, every day you are using public newspapers, cricket score, or private information, for example, your own accounts, anything, any application, maybe banking, a stock market, whatever. So when we are using first time, then second time onwards, so no need to go for database layer because the common information. Instead of going to taking from here long distance, keep it here, bring to the presentation, getting quick response. That way can improve the application performance. So by using of clipboard tool, we are avoiding hitting of database for many times. When I'm going to use any data many times, reusable and common data is a private and public, I can store in the clipboard level. These are the debugging, inbuilt debugging tools are available inside the Pega tool to improve application performance. Are you getting any questions about debugging tools? I'm just telling theoretically. I'm just as of now telling you theoretically these points. Next, what is next? I want to show you that these tools where it is available into the Pega product, then how we can use these tools for your application. That is the practical. Now I'm telling you that the tools are available inside the Pega product. Now next step, when I'm going to open the tool where it is available. Once we'll see those tools, how we can use those tools for your application. That is, we'll see. Now I'm just telling they're available, what is purpose. Any questions about these tools? Okay, no questions? Fine. Next.
Excuse me, can we use Tracer for trace the presentation layer? Like you said, like business layer we are using by.
Only business logic layer. Only business logic layer. It will be. We are not using. Pega tool will be concentrated. We are not saying that please concentrate business logic layer. Tracer is came for only for this part. It will trace only business logic layer part only. Further, that is the case. Then why should I you introduce a live viewer tool?
Yeah. Like so for specific layer we have the individual debugging tools. So
Yeah.
like like is it possible to trace the both layers with the tracer or like
No.
only for.
Only I'm just inform them. Please, I'm just giving the. We are not giving. Pega tool is already there. So please, it will be trace only business logic layer. It won't be trace any other layers.
Okay.
Because I want quick response. Otherwise, if I give one more responsibility, it will look at it. Then it will take some delay response for you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Next.
I have small doubt.
Yeah.
So after starting the application, we have to start this tracer or inbuilt it should be started.
We have to, no need to start means don't think it like when you start the Pega application, Pega server will be inside, they will be there. It's just opening. We have to start the application. When you start the when you open the application, you have to open the tracer tool also. Without open the tracer tool, how we can watch your tracing application tracing issues? It's not possible, right? We have to open that.
Okay, sir.
Next. These are the finding of issues. Okay, we saw that till now how we can develop no coding. Very happy, very good. Even for to trace the issues also, we have tools. So very happy, and even for that also No need to any manual tracing. Further also we can do automation tracing. Very good. Then what about once you completed development, no issues, very happy. Now we need to check your performance. So no coding, happy, development is completed. Even after development, no issues, also very happy. But we need to check application performance. There are two types of performance. Application construction performance or design performance. Then second one is execution performance. What do you mean that? So how you are constructing application? How you are constructing application here? So very important. How you are constructing your house? What are things you are using, your quality or not? Even generally, we are seeing that if you want to develop the code, we'll call senior people. They will do code review, right? You're hearing word, right? Code review of the application by the senior people. Why? What do you meaning of code review? How you are developing? You are using many duplicates. You are unnecessary creating of many things. We are following proper standard checklist or not to developing of any application, because every language, every skill will have the proper standard checklist we need to follow. Standard policies will be there, standard rules will be there to develop, to design any application. Whether following or not, if senior people will check it. What about here? Again, our intention is mainly Pega is not new, everything old concept. But only one thing is here, we are doing is manual all the things, but here I'm going to do the everything is automation. Pega concepts not old new concepts. Pega all are the old concepts only. But we are doing all things is manual process there. Code review, developing, debugging, this is all the manual process. But if you're coming to here for all the things, I'm just making is automation, because we have inbuilt tools will be there. Automation in the sense, we have tools will be there, tools will be generate everything here. Tools will be taken care by instead by you. So what about code review here? For that, to check application design quality, we have one of the, I won't call any your senior people, we inside the Pega tool, there is one of the great tool is there to check application design quality or construction quality or develop quality, whatever you can call. That is Godreal tool. Before sending before deploying your application any target system, what are the environments are available? We have dev environment, testing environment, UAT environment, productions. When I'm moving my code from the dev environment to development system to any target system, I want check application guardrail, application quality, design quality first. How we can check? There is guardrail tool will be there. I need to run it. I need to run it. Then it will be identified that there is score will be there 100. Application weighted score. Out of 100, we need to get 95 above 95. So pass means 95. If below 95, I won't allow you to deploy your application to my target system. Then question, how you are suddenly maybe today I'm going to deploy, if you're running today and then is the problem. So for that also daily we have to run it. Again, same work you are doing the daily. Instead of doing by you can make it any automation. Yes, Pega tool automatically will be generate if you schedule this tool automatically every maybe weekly once or daily you want. That is based on the requirement. We can check it. So my side is we'll go for it is like how the deliverable based on the deliverable here is like weekly deliverable or monthly deliverable based on your process. I'm going to deliver my things is monthly or weekly. If you go for weekly, I can put the daily. If monthly means I can go for the weekly. I can schedule this process, automatically generate the score. By using of this option, if you below 95, what I can do? Your question. What is the problems will be there? I can say I can fix it, then automatically will be increase the your application performance, design performance. Okay, this is the guardrail tool will be there. What about performance? Execution performance call. Execution performance means, example, you have Gmail application. When you log in the application by using of username password, but opening inside that is taking some time, means response time is taking delay. This is execution performance taking time. So this kind of issues, how we can trace? Already I told you that performance analyzer tool will have two responsibilities. One is to trace the database. Let's second one is to check your application execution performance. When you run the performance analyzer, automatically trace the, it will be find any issues, performance issues are there in your application. Once you find out, there is alert tool will be there. It will be mapped inside the performance analyzer tool only. When performance analyzer will be find the issues, immediately it will be sending the alerts with the help of the alert tool to all who are high authority or leads and managers. So we need to configure that who wants, I want to send the alerts, issues, the particular people, not all the people, only for the leads and managers. So automatically alerts will be sent the alerts to the all the people. Is there any performance issue? Then I can fix it. So this is by using of these tools, I'm going to trace application performance. If you want to do, no need to do everything, we have inbuilt tools. This is about debugging tools and performance tools. There is one more great feature, ninth, DCO feature. What do you mean that full form? Directly. So now I have to tell you. So coding development is completed. Integration is coming, or is a single application, multiple application, no coding, very good. And for finding of any issues, we have inbuilt tools, good. If we don't have, is I want to check performance, very important. We are developing quickly, applications fine, but without quality, what should I use? It's very impact my business. So for that also I need to check it, application performance, how it will be in both ways, is a construction quality and execution quality. Both side is very good by using of the check it and test it, fine, good. The main things. Apart from, is there anything else? Industry, any area, I'm just asking you. You all are people, are experienced people and who are working in IT industry. This is the right, even non-IT people also, you know some idea, right? How the developing of applications, how you are facing any issues. If you are regularly using Gmail application, Facebook application, the development only. The
I
same
think
thing,
I
sorry,
think user experience is needed.
how people are using user, you're saying that how we can use, you are the user only, right? For the Gmail application, Facebook application, everything, right?
Yes, yes, sir. So any user using the application, they are expecting some features. So they are facing some issues.
We are the user now to Pega tool. We are the user of the Pega tool. We are the developer users. We are the developer users. So
Okay.
even you are the user for your phone. You are practice your phone before, without buying. When you are, once you buy that, then only you know that what are the features will be there. Once you initially your phone, like once you buy that, they will give demo in the shop, but you won't understand. Once you come back home, you will do 2 3 days full. What are the features will be there? Practice, but fourth day onwards, you'll play your phone. Why? You find you did more practice, research, analyze, practice in the phone than you're playing with your phone. So finally, what I'm saying that phone also like is a Pega product. Phone also product, Pega also for product. But there's features are there, but how they develop Java, but we don't want. Only we have to know what kind of features, how we can utilize. The same thing Pega product also. We have features, how we can use features. We have should practice, but those features, how they're developed, we don't want. Okay, we don't want. Already I told you. There is structure will be there. This is, if you go for, yeah, this one. So I told you PRPC means the first one base tool is business rule engine. On top of that, they developed BPM tool. But what about business rule engine? How they developed base tool using of Java. So Java is a grandfather, and business rule engine structure. I'm just telling the common structure. Pega architecture, BPM, BRE, Java. So this is Pega structure. This is a combination of BRE and BPM, a combination of PR and PC. Pega rules, process, command. This structure we can call mean that BRE tool the base tool. In that we have ready-made business rules are there. By using this, I'm going to developing of the BPM. They inherited. So it is a both of the parent-child relationship. Both will be supporting the inheritance concept reusability because already is available without declaring again to here. I'm going to calling and designing the using here place. This is the base tool, but this base tool how they developed Java. This is the grandfather. But we don't want grandfather here. We have to know only father and child. What is our agenda? 40 days, you know. What is there? I want to know about parent. Parent, inside the parent, what is there? Once you know the parent, about parent, means what are the rules are there. Once you know these rules, sorry. Once you know these rules, by using of parent, how we can design child application, that is BPM application. All applications are the BPM application only. All application are the business process applications only. BPM is business process application. Is there any application without process? If you want account means what? So how we can, if you go directly bank, they will give you. There is a process will be the step by step. Maybe you want attend the interviews. There is a process step by step. You are getting off offer letter. There is this process step by step. Everywhere. When you want to do some action, we need to follow step by step process level. So all industry applications are the BPM applications, business process applications. So now I have to know about child, about parent. I don't want grandfather. If you want to know grandfather, why? These are duplicates, no, not required. You can use them directly to this only because it's free software. This is the licensed product. Why should I go for here? So this 40 days course, what is there here in the parent? Once you know the features, by using of those features, how we can develop your child application. That second part, first goal this, second goal this, third goal is not required. This grandfather is not required. We have to know father and child. Okay, this is the Pega architecture. Now I'm talking DCO feature, right? Directly capturing object. Directly capturing object. Object means what? Business object. Before going to business object, business object is nothing but business goal, business requirement, where Pega tool will support this feature to capturing of business requirement and converting application automatically. General, what I have to do, you need to create the application manually. But once we have the business requirement, I'm just giving off these requirements to input as an input to the Pega tool. Based on inputs, it will be creating application automatically. Then for that application, what you used technical things, I want to generate the document. What you will do generally, you know one thing, before going to this topic, I want to know one thing here. You know SDLC, software development lifecycle. What are the steps will be there? Inside the software SDLC, every application, every project will have SDLC. First one, gathering of requirements. After that, once you gather the requirements, I have to do estimations. Then design the documents, maybe HLD, LLD means high level design documents, low level design documents, business record documents and technical documents. After that, we have to do development, then testing, deployment, live. This is the everywhere will have, but you are doing all the, if you see the SDLC, all the stages, there are number of roles will be there. BA, gathering of business requirement, business architect. Once you gather, once you design the documents, then you will share to the all the managers. Then they will connect all the architect people for providing of estimations. So estimation means there are different things. How many resource, what is time, what is building budget, everything. This all they will do as a manual process. Then after that, your architect people will prepare the design documents. What kind of technical things I'm going to use to develop these things. Once you done that, then they will move to the development stage. So once I get my design documents from my lead, then I'll start the development. You are doing copy paste only, right? Everything will be there inside the document level. What is I have to do? Technically, everything they can mention that almost 90%, only 10% will maybe if you something will be added. Everything will be we are getting from the senior people only. The requirement and technical also. They given solution for you. You're not thinking newly, right? They given in the document level by seeing that you are developing the you are writing the code in your tool. Anything is a Java, .NET or any other languages. Then there's also manual coding. Then after that you have to testing, testers, then deployment administrators, then finally live. So all the different roles will be there. All the people will have different responsibilities. They are doing is manually, but if you're coming to Pega, same responsibility there, same roles will be there. BA will be there, manager will be there, architect people will be there, developers will be there, testers will be there, administrators will be there, no doubt on that. All the people are there. Finally, users, as you're saying, someone now is users will be there who will use your application. So these all people will have different responsibilities, but those responsibility here doing this manual way, sorry, automation way. See that just writing of design documents will take like at least 1 week, 2 weeks for the lead architect people. But if you're coming to here, I don't want those many days. Within a day, we'll finish it. By how? By using of Pega tool. So the same stages, but we are calling different names here: inception, elaboration, construction, transition. Inception says gathering of requirement is a BA clients, all stakeholders will be involved here. BA business architect. Elaboration where the LSA people, lead system architect, or your architect people and managers, where we can create the application and providing of estimations of the time and resource, everything here. That is called elaboration stage. Construction is nothing but development. Transition, testing and deployment. Live is production. Same stages, same roles, but here automation, not manual. Now your DCO future will be involved in inception elaboration. So our stage is here. Our stage, construction stage, mean development stage, where we all are going to involve here. Third stage, construction stage, developing of application. So here we're not involving inception elaboration. We are involving here. So now DCO feature is a directly capturing business requirement, and I have business requirement. How to reach the users? Through application. That application how we can create by using of any software. Correct? So now DCO feature by Pega will support by using of this feature. It will be capturing business requirement and converting as application automatically. How? For that I have 4 inbuilt tools are there. Those are application profiler, application profiler, application documentation, new application wizard, new application wizard, sorry, project estimation tool. The other tools are there. Okay, these are the two: application profiler, application documentation, new application wizard, and project estimation. To provide estimations automatically will help you for your managers. What is there? Project estimation tool will be there. With the help of that, I can provide the estimation for your current requirement. What about new application wizard? How it will be converting as application? Once you give the inputs, that is called application profiler, where we are giving off application inputs for business requirements. Once here I'm going to giving off inputs. Based on the inputs, new application wizard will be creating the application automatically. For that application, what technical things we used? What are the rules we use to develop the application? I want document, because maybe you left the company, someone will join, they have to understand quickly. They will understand by seeing the technical, but it will take time. So based on that, what I can do, even not only for the technical, but even non-technical person also, they have to understand. Better if you have the document. So I want to generate the document. What you have tried manual, not required. There is one of the tool will be there inside the Pega tool. By using of application documentation tool, I can generate the documentation for your application. They're the one of the great feature inside the Pega tool. This is one of the reason to stand number one position compared to APN, because for the APN we don't have this option. Okay, this is the about 9 feature. So 9th feature. There's 10 feature, I think, on 8.7.21. Before going to remaining features, maybe I'll discuss it tomorrow. I will show you that how I'm saying that no coding we can design easily, right? I'll just showing that already I have installed Pegasoft in my system. Already launched inside the, already started the server also. It will be ready. Server is one. I launched the application also already. So I can open any one application, Nathan. This is the Pega tool. I'm just opening the Pega tool. Then I'm the developer. I want a developer space, developer place. It's a directly it's going to developer place only. So there, how we can design is either any single page, right? So I'm saying that, guys, using of coding only we can develop the any screens or pages, whatever you can call, maybe registration form, login form, contact form, student form, anything, or you want to create any table, something. So it's an easy way. How we can design the any small screen without writing of code. Simple. I'm saying that always. I'm saying to you, no coding, no coding. Then without coding, how we can design? So there is some rule will be there. User interface rule. Create user interface rule. There is a section rule. See that how I'm going to designing any presentation I'm talking right now. Presentation layer. Without writing of code, how we can design the your pages, screens, forms. So I can give here student form. Anything you can give it, whatever you want. What is this? These all things we'll talk later, not now. Create and open. Inside the student form, what will be there? Student ID, student name. The input fields will be there, right? HTML input fields. Means text box, text area, drop down, buttons, links. These all things will be there. I'm just showing that how the look and feel is the Pega tool, and how using a Pega tool, how we can design in a presentation means a small screen. I'm just showing you, then you'll understand that how we are going to, how the designing the application without writing of code will get some idea. This is the screen. So here I'm just going to capturing of inputs, click text input, and maybe date, then email, phone number, drop downs, whatever you want. Maybe you can drag one more thing, dynamic layout. So put it outside. So go for pickers, drop down, then radio buttons, multi selection, right? Multi selections. Now go here. How I'm just going to showing that how we can design. This is the screen. Make inline. Provide the header and title. This is a student form or student details form. Submit. So the same thing here also. So this is developing. This is the we are configuring here. It's not developing. I can say that go for header and title. This is multi selection, right? Multiple selection details, because drop down. Now go for here, text name. So what kind of value how to enter? How we know that? We need to say that first name and select is a first name. I'm just giving like it is a required field. Required, yes, submit. Like this, just put this last, this second, put the proper format. His last name. This is the developing. In Pega, what you are developing means this is the developing. You are configuring. It's not a development. I can say that you are configuring all the rules. This is the customer email. So it's mandatory. You can check it all the things. Save it. Enough. Now just see that actions. Maybe drop down data buttons. You can do the same thing. There are number of inputs will be there for validation, other things that we'll see later, not now. Go for actions, go for preview. See, first name you have to enter, last name you have to enter, email, date. This is a development here. For designing of this, if you go for back your coding level, how much time it is required? You need to write lot of custom code, HTML, JSP, whatever. But here, simply within the 5 minutes, I can design it one screen. This is the development. So do you have written any code to design the screen now? What I'm going to do here in the Pega tool, this is I'm going to do to developing of your application. Rules will be there, create the rules and configure the rules by using of designing using of rules. I can develop the application. This is about Pega tool. You got it? This is till now we discussed about how the look and feel. The rules still we have more features will be there. That I'll tell you tomorrow. As of now, we discussed 10 plus 3, 12 features. Remaining features I can tell you tomorrow. Okay. So I think tomorrow we are going to finishing off features. Then this is completely what are the Pega, the basic. Still, I'm not telling the basic. Still, with there tomorrow, day of tomorrow class. Once you complete, I will go for the main class. As of now, these are the main. What is Pega? What is BPM? What is PRE? And what are the features are available inside the Pega? As of now, I tell you only 12 features. Still, we have nearly 10 features. Will be the main features. I'll tell you that. That also tomorrow class. How the Pega look and feel will be there. How we can develop the application. Just one simple example I can show you that. Do you have any questions on here? Please unmute and just ask me. Arvind, Keshav,
Yeah, what is
Ishwar,
the
Gayatri.
system requirement for that Pega software?
Sorry, you are asking about any software?
Yeah, system requirement like a one.
I understand. 8 GB is required and 64-bit is required, Ishwar. Just
64
talking
bit.
about system specification to install the Pega software, right? 8
Yes,
GB and 8 GB. And if you have 4 GB, what I can do question? Then I have 32-bit mission, what I can do question? Even without install Pega software on system local mission, we can do practice. How? We have the Pega cloud option will be there. Pega cloud, we can do the practice. But as my best thing, I can prefer first in our system, because system will be controlled by you. Cloud will be controlled by the Pega system, not by you. So everyone should be mandatory. You have to install in your system only.
And where can we get this software, sir? Do you
I will
have
give
any?
you. We'll provide you all things. We'll provide you all things, Arvind.
Hello, sir.
Okay, na? Yeah. Yes, Hem Charan.
Good morning, sir. Actually, I mean, you are saying that the code will be generated automatically and the tracing tools will be there. And even everything will be automated. And where is that complexity? Is there any complexity in the real world? Like, once we start working in our real-time working, what is the complexity in this tool, sir? Where exactly that complexity will comes?
Complexity will be business logic layer only, right? See, complexity is nothing but you're writing of logic. Correct?
Okay.
You're writing of logic on business logic. I mean, anywhere the writing of logic is the complexity. That logic maybe you have to think it, but there you're writing code. But here we're using of rules. I'm writing the logic. Using of rules is logic. See, one thing, we don't have any complexity. Pega is giving everything is automation easy way. When we are when you are know well about how we can, what is that, how we can use, there is no complexity, because Pega tool, that is the complexity. I want to make the easy. That's why I came to here industry. Okay, why I came to here, whatever is there complex, I want to do there for you easy way. That's why I came to industry.
Okay, but we don't need any prerequisite kind of thing, Java or no, it's not mandatory, right?
Not required, not required. I told you already, Zero is not required. It's not required. If Java is required, why should I hear? It's not required. I'm the duplicate person.
And sir, one more question is, do we require CSA and CSSA certification to get the job?
Certification is required. Yes, it's mandatory. At least one is mandatory here. Without that, I can't consider as a Pega resource. It's not like Java people will say without certification, they're Java okay. But Pega is for mandatory policy.
So one more question, like. Nagaraj, okay, I'll go ahead. Okay, I mean, if a person having 10 years of, 12 years of experience into different fields, say for example, data warehousing somewhere, and if I want to start my career, diversified into this one, like Pega tool, with like 3-4 years experience kind of thing, how it we can go with that, sir? Like, a person like
I'm just telling that you have 12 plus of experience. Last 3 is working as a Pega developer. Last 3 is working the Pega setup only, Pega developer only. You can keep it.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, can we write at any time, sir, that CSA, CSSA certificate after completion of
Any
this course?
time you can write it.
Or any fixed
But
date
you
will...
need to start the, if you are immediately looking for job means that is mandatory now, Razu.
Yes, sir. Means after for suppose if I want to write today, can I write, sir?
Today, no? You are in
Just
starting
I'm
stage,
asking,
right?
at any time can we write or not? Just I'm asking.
No,
After
anytime you can
completion.
write it. After completion you can
Or
write any time.
Or else any fixed notification date like that I'm asking.
Nothing. There is no any conditions. Whenever you're ready, that you can do it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. I
Okay,
will share the recording class today here, and please watch it. And if you have any question, please let me know. And we'll meet you tomorrow at same time. Tomorrow is our agenda is remaining features. What is there? We'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.